31,536,000 seconds, 8,760 hours, 365 days. 2025 is here. A new year, a new chance. We all have dreams, big, small, personal, or professional. But the question is, will this be the year you finally make them happen? Or will you look back and wonder why you waited so long? Don't let that happen. Remember those moments when you put things off? Or that inner voice telling you to wait for the perfect time to start? The truth is, time is limited, and the perfect time isn't coming. It was yesterday, and that's exactly what I want to talk about. Let me share something personal with you. For years, I wanted to start a YouTube channel. There was always this inner voice holding me back. Why bother? It's too much effort. Just relax and enjoy life. I listened to that voice for far too long. But one day, I decided to ignore it. I took a chance and chased my dream. That voice of doubt, it's always there. It will always try to hold you back. But if you listen to it, you'll stay stuck. You'll never move forward. So, how can you make 2025 your year? Start by writing down your goals. Write them down. Make them real. Because if you don't, they'll just stay dreams and nothing will change. And if you really want to commit, tell your goals to someone you trust, someone who will support you and hold you accountable. Let me give you an example. My goal for 2025 is to break the 1,000 subscriber mark by the end of the year. That's what I'm working towards every single day. It won't happen overnight, but I know it's going to happen because I'm taking consistent action. And you can do the same. Now, what is your goal? Write it down in the comments below. Let's hold each other accountable. And here's the deal. I'll make a reminder video in exactly 1 year. We'll come back to these comments and see who made it happen and who let laziness win. Don't miss that video. Subscribe now and turn on notifications so you'll be reminded when it drops. Let's make 2025 our year. If you're looking for even more motivation to get started, check out this video on how to take the first step toward your goals.